everyone, here we are to think about another two of our ending blends this week, okay? But before we start that, let's have a look at the two ending blends that we practiced last week, okay? And the first thing we did was nd, nd, nd. Okay, so my turn, nd, your turn, my turn, nd, your turn. Well done. Okay, and the other one that we looked at was rk, rk, rk. My turn, your turn, my turn, rk, your turn. Well done. This week we've got another two to look at, and the first one we're going to look at is this one, st. Now remember, when we're doing our blends we should still hear each individual sound. St, st. So let's have a think if there's any words that we know that might end in st, st. Now I can think of one, and it's something that gave us a surprise in this house the other day, because we discovered that we've got one of these in our loft that we didn't know about, and it's a bird's nest. 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 So let's have a think about the first sound we can hear in nest. N. And our second sound, e. Ne. Nest. 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 So 4 sounds that we can hear in the word nest. N, e, st, nest. Okay. Another word with a st sound at the end. Can you think of any? I've got one more that I can think of, and it's this. If I make this shape with my hand, it's called a fist. A fist. So the first sound you can hear in fist is a f. Now remember, we don't say f, we just say f. So there's our first sound, and then we've got e, e. E, st, e, st. And here's our ending again, our st, ending, fest. Well done. Okay. I'm sure you can think of lots more words that end in st. Now, our other ending blend that we are going to think about this week is the mp, mp ending. 2 sounds, mp, mp. Okay. So let me think of something that might end in the word mp. Now I've got something here that you might recognise. It's a little stamp. Stamp. Now here we've got 2 sounds that we've already practiced as an ending blend. But here we find at the beginning of our word, because it can also be a beginning blend. St, ah. So far we've got st, ah, st, ah, and now we move on to our ending blend. Mp, mp, st, ah, mp, mp. So we've got 5 sounds in our word stamp. St, ah, mp, stamp. St, ah, mp, st, ah, mp, stamp. Let me think of another word. Oh, this is something that we do all the time. You do it in the playground, you also do it in the classroom, you can do it in the gym hall, because it's something that we practice for our athletics. And it's jump, jump, jump. So our first sound, j, j, our second sound, j, and then we go into our ending blend, oops, so we've got j, j, jump. So let's have a look at what we've thought about so far today with our st ending blend, est, and est, and with our ending blend, st, j, okay, well done. Practice that, writing those words and any words that you can find as many times as you would like to. I have thought of a sentence that I would like you to say the sentence as I'm writing it up on the board. Okay? Our first letter is a capital letter because it's the beginning of our sentence, but it's also someone's name. J, O, Now that word, that name, has got one of the digraphs that we already know. O, so we've got J, O, N. Joan. Joan. Had. Two, one of our tricky words. Two. Joan had two. And here's our new ending blend. J, jump. Up. Here's our tricky word again. Two. Joan had to jump up to each. Now that word has got two digraphs in it. Each, reach. And then another one of our tricky words are sight words. The, and our last word in the sentence, another one of our blends, our ending blends, est, and a full stop at the end so we know that our sentence is finished. Okay, so Joan had to jump up to reach the nest. Now your grown-up can read that sentence out to you and you could copy it down, or you could just copy it if your grown-up writes it for you. Okay, now another wee game I thought would be quite fun for us to play this week is the ladder game. Okay, now you can either do this by yourself or do it with a grown-up or brothers or sisters or whoever else is looking after you in the house. And what you need to do is put your ending blends, write them at the top of a piece of paper. You can use colouring pencils, I'm just using a whiteboard today. And then you draw a ladder for each of our ending blends. Oops, gosh, it's a bit squint. There we go. Okay, now you can draw as many rungs on your ladder as you want. And what you've got to do is start off at the bottom with a word that you know has got our ending blend in it, like nest for that one, and maybe jump for that one. Okay, and what you need to do is to fill up all the rungs of the ladder until you get to the top. Now you can either just do that and take your time. If you want to do it with a grown-up, you could write a word and then your grown-up could write a word and then you could write a word, or you could write all the st words and your grown-up could write some words and then you could swap over. You do whatever you would like to do with that game. Okay, just a wee fun game to practice our ending blends. Okay, so just to remind you, we've got st and to practice this week. Okay, that's us for today. I will see you again next week when we will have another 2 ending blends to practice. Okay, bye.